Hey YouTube, guess what came in the mail just in time for Christmas? Faye Jai sent me some lip scrubs and lashes just in time for this holiday that I want to share with you guys. So here's a little tutorial on how I use their Apple and Bees Go lip scrubs. First, I apply a generous amount on my lips and then I do it in a circular motion to exfoliate. Next, I add some lip balm and then I'm ready to go. You can find all these products at Faye Jai at their website fayejai.com. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're subscribed. If not, hit that button and that notification bell so you can see every time I post another video. Today I am doing a Christmas gift haul. I'll be showing you black owned companies, my favorites that I think you should give your loved ones this holiday. Starting off with one of my faves, it's Faye Jai. They have lip scrubs, beard oils, baths, milk baths, everything you need and more, plus candles. And I'm going to start off with some of their lip scrubs I like. This is some things I like to do before I start my makeup. This one is apple. I'm going to show you how I apply it right now. So as you can see, I just applied a generous amount to my lips like this. It tastes really good, by the way. Everything is cruelty free, by the way. So I just wanted to put that out. Natural ingredients. Woot woot. So after I do that, I just go ahead and I apply some type of lip balm or something on top of my lips to keep them moisturized. As you see, they're brand new. And then to prime our face, today we're going to be using aloe and rose water. So we're just going to go prime it. We're going to get into the video now.
Okay, so first I am filling in my eyebrows. Today I'm not doing anything super crazy, just like a natural look, so we don't need too much. Just gonna fill them in so there's not too many gaps in my eyes. For today's concealer is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color beige.
Okay, next I'm going to do foundation because I'm not really trying to go into something like too much. I know it's probably look crazy like this. I will not blend it out. It's okay. It's all good in the hood. Trust me. But I can throw that clip in right here so you guys can see that as well. I think they're a very nice relaxing type of company. You like to relax and stuff like that. That's them. Like, they're all about relaxation. And they're black owned, cruelty free. Oh, you see, they don't look that bad now. Now I'm just gonna take like an eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna blend this out. But this is how I keep my eyebrows precise, because you know people be like, how you do your makeup and stuff with them lashes, girl? Strategize, girl. Strategy. But you gotta make sure you blend that joint out. Like that. And we still gotta do the nose thing, so don't even worry about that one. Just over here. Next, I'm gonna go in with another one of my black-owned companies that I think you guys should go shop for your loved ones for this holiday coming up. This is Shea Baby Cosmetics Sculpt Me. I'm gonna use that to contour and snatch my face.
But first we're gonna finish contouring our face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige. We're gonna go around the face in the T-zone, so cheeks, nose, upper lip, and my chin. To a perfectly blended face is tapping, so you want to tap with your beauty blender or sponge so your face can have an even smooth effect. Next, I'm using Shade Baby Sculpt Me with the lighter shades of a brown, and we're just going to go around her face everywhere we just highlighted. This is how I contour my face for a natural beat. Then afterwards, I'm going to take a eyeshadow brush and I'm going to gently go up and down the arches of my nose, and then I'm going to bring it out around my eyes as well. Next, I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to put it inside some baking powder. I'm not sure which baking powder I used this time, but usually I use Airspun or Sasha Buttercup. Now you just put that under the spots I highlighted on my face. I'm not going for like a edgy or high fashion look today. I'm just doing something natural, so I'm just putting a little bit on there. Not trying to go for a dewy look, but not too matte, so just a little enough to soak up all the extra moisture from the highlight. Then I'm gonna dust it off. Next, I'm going to be using Shea Baby's blush palette, and I'm going to be adding a little, just a little cherry on my face. Give it a little elf-like. I think it just added a little more holiday spirit to it, because this video is about holiday spirit. All the products I'm showing are black owned from Faye Jai. They sponsor this video. I also use their eyelashes with my customers. I threw in a clip in the beginning of one of my models. I put on their eyelashes on, and I'm going to throw it in again. I'll throw in a picture of the box. They package them beautifully. Their lashes are great for you guys that wear lashes. They also have tons of other things like lip scrubs, candles, milk baths, all that you can name it. Next, I'm going to be taking another shade of a blush, and I just took a fan brush and I'm just going to go up my cheekbones because I really want to exaggerate the little cherryness I want to have to my cheeks and childlike effect I want to have on my face today. Then I take a highlighter and I add it to the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose with my finger. Not too much, but I end up anyway putting a lot on because I am a highlighter junkie. I just tap it on my cheekbones a little bit where I put the blush at, and then on the top of my lip, and then as you see more on my nose. I don't know, I'm just really in love with my nose today. But yeah, look at me, I'm feeling it.
What do you guys think? I feel like an elf because of the cherry. The cherry is giving like, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Okay, I'm done. But I just really want to shout out to look at these lips. Look at these lips. I want to shout out Faye Jai. They really hooked your girls up with this lip scrub and them lashes. Super cute. I want you guys to shop with them this holiday and tell them your girl sent you, okay? So how we gonna finish this look? We gonna go ahead and take an eyebrow pencil like this, and we gonna line these lips, these luscious lips that Faye Jai just gave me with a lip scrub. So after you line your lips, I want to go in with Shea Baby's Lippy. I'm going to go in with think I'm gonna go in with this one. It is perfect. Oh my goodness. See how easy that go on? Oh, that's so cute. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to the people that sponsored this video. That is Faye Jai. Make sure y'all go shop with them for this holiday seasons for your loved ones. Also, Shea Baby Cosmetics. These are all black-owned, luxurious companies that I support. So you should support too. And you should also support by subscribing and liking this. And do the notification bell so you can see every time we make a video. Hope you enjoyed.